Hey guys, so today we're finally gonna install my relocation kit because I've had this for a while. I bought it off of a buddy. I just haven't installed it because I've been waiting to get an oil cooler and been putting it off, and yeah, enough excuses. My lovely girlfriend bought me a Koyo oil cooler for my Christmas present, so I'm really pumped. She also bought me the radiator that I installed in the last video. If you need to go look, it's in the last video. Installed a end-flow radiator with Mishimoto fans. So today I'm going to clean up all these lines. I think I'm gonna flush them and clean them and make sure like there's no metal or anything in them to see if they're all good. You know, because you never know. And then I'm going to figure out where I'm going to mount this. I believe my idea for mounting this is probably going to be... Oh, well, that's kind of where I wanted to mount it. Huh. Probably going to be right there. So, we'll see. We'll go from there. See how this goes. I just want it to be, like, close to everything. So it's not, like... I don't know. Just not in a bad location. I think right there would be the most ideal, or right here maybe. Actually, yeah, right here. That could totally work right there. Yeah, hold on. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna mount it right there. So let's get everything started, and after I clean the lines, I'll walk you through, like, how to mount this. I think what I'm going to do with that little support right there is maybe use that to hold the Koyo cooler up. Yeah, I'll make some adjustments. We'll see. So we'll go from there. Hey guys, pretty much I just spent all fucking day cleaning this shit. I opened up like the little oil thermostat. I cleaned it in the inside. I think there was like, it looked like there's a little bit of metal in there, but it didn't look too bad. There's like a little metal thing in here that actually moves in and out, so it could be caused from that. But other than that, I just cleaned the fuck out of all the lines, made sure everything was good. It's like spick and span now. There's like no oil or anything. Like what I did is I got the foam degreaser, and then I sprayed inside the lines and everything, ran a shitload of water through it, and then sprayed it with my air compressor at like 160 psi. So hopefully that will help with anything. If there shouldn't be any problems now. Put it back together. Now it's like kind of late. I think I'm gonna try to route it. It shouldn't be too hard. But let's see how this is. Let's see. I think I'm gonna mount it right there, like I was saying. I gotta move the support. Yep, yes, it is my vlog. Hey guys, we're on like the second day. And yeah, we made a little bracket for the oil cooler. Put some speed holes in it, you know. The speed holes, bro. We're good. And then yeah. So the guy I bought my oil cooler from kind of fucked me here. And so the little piece that goes in there that adapts to the car, I have to probably buy another one of these. And I need to make sure it's the right thread pitch. But we're gonna make the oil cooler mount up and everything. Max is doing work. And we're gonna do some shit. But it looks pretty good right in there. And then we got it right there. And that's where the oil cooler's gonna go. Fucking solid. Guys, so I got the oil cooler installed and mocked up and it's on. You can see it right there. Bracket worked out fucking perfectly. Got the speed holes in it, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how the how it's run. So this seemed like the most logical way to do it, so we ran it there, came up, came over here, went through the deal there, and then I have a bolt sticking through here, right here. That's the thermostat to open, and then it's running there. I still, oh, I found that little part that I need to attach to the block, and so I just taped off the ends, and then I ran that to up there, and I just put an oil filter on top of it. I need to buy another bolt too right here to you know, clog it. But other than that, that's how it's gonna run. And I just need to connect those lines to the thing, and then the oil cooler should be installed. When it comes in, I'll take another video and finish it up, and it should be all good. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. I actually got a little part. I got that little part in the mail from FR Sports. Everything's attached. I deleted that thermostat because I really didn't like that. I honestly didn't. But yeah, so now it keeps my car much cooler. It sounds great. So I watched another YouTube video, and the guy I was talking to, or that I watched, said you need to run the middle, so this is the middle right here, you see my finger, to the filter, which is in the middle. Then you go from the side and you go down into the oil cooler. So that's from the, you know, that's like from the motor, and then back in over here, and then you go back into the motor on the side. So it works out real well. It keeps my motor cool. You can feel all the heat going through it. Radiator feels great. And yeah, thank you for watching. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. And peace.